How to download Vintage Story on Android. So if you want to download Vintage Story on Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser, search for Vintage Story. After searching, now you need to go with www.vintagestory.at, or you can also search for Vintage Story Download, and it will give you a lot of options. You can just simply go with download. Go with any website that you're comfortable with, and here you will have your Vintage Story, right? So you need to just simply go with download and it will be downloaded, or just scroll down and here you will have APK versions. So you just need to simply tap on the Vintage Story APK versions, and once you find that, you just need to simply go with verify if you're a human or not. And after verifying, here you can scroll down and you will have all of the information like the name, the update, compatible with, last version, the size, mod, and everything. And you need just scroll down and here you will have download. So you just need to simply tap on download now and it will start the downloading process. It will download the file. After downloading the file, you can go with downloads, which is on the top right. Tap on the three dots and then tap on download option. And here you will have all of your downloaded files. You can just simply tap on the downloaded file and it will start the installation process. That's how you can download Vintage Story on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.